Okay, so when Jim called me, it sounded a bit like science fiction to me, but then I thought, okay, at Modelica conferences we already had presentations with Siemens to have like control test, online control test in power plants, and we did all this, so let's try to be a part of this science fiction and be one part of this digital twin. So I started to build a Modelica model. I built a model in Dymola where we worked a lot the last years to get it faster and more stable. So that's what I built here, and more or less I decomposed this desalination plant into single subsystems. When we get this 3D data, then we have hundreds of pipes and elbows and valves and stuff, and we have to find out where are the relevant pressure losses, which components do we need, and which can we leave out for the first part. And so for each of the components, we then need to define the required modeling level of detail. So that's also not trivial. We have to talk to the people using the simulation. What are your scenarios? What physical or chemical effects do you have? Which dynamics do you have to look at? I'd like to show a quick demo in Dymola. So that's my Dymola model with just a fixed operation cycle. I'm going to simulate it and show you some plots. So now I simulated 1 hour of operation. And as I said, it's an early prototype. I only have a few states in there, maybe 10 or 20 states, but I have all the fluids. I have a control bus with all the control signals here of mass flows or pressures, which are interesting to the plant operators. So I can run this in like 1.5 seconds of CPU time to have 1 hour of shutting up and down, driving up and down the plant. So that's more or less the idea. Once we have this, we could go to an interactive model. So now I switched on top here the operation, not only switching on and off, but I could go in here and switch on specific pumps or control valves or something and play around. So that's I'm going to do now. I have to switch to real time, 10 times real time. I try to go faster than real time. And in the plot, I only want to see the last 4 minutes maybe. Okay, simulate again. So now I'm really building the new model, compiling it, running it, and now I can shut, the plant was going on, now I shut it down, now I switch it back on. So that's more or less the idea. How do we do the step from our standard simulation into a Talent Swarm environment and a platform? As Talent Swarm is building this platform, combining all the standards and combining all the CAD data and stuff, we are going to inject our Modelica models there.